Hello! So today we're doing a different kind of video. I'm gonna be following Scott Barnes's makeup that he did on Tati like a while ago. I was originally just gonna follow a video of him like doing somebody else's makeup and just kind of hearing him explain things. But then Tati's video came up with him and I love Tati, so I was like, best of both worlds here. But Scott Barnes did Tati's makeup, he's sharing his tips. I've learned a lot from this video, so I'm going to be recreating that look. So yeah, this is the look. And it's the technique really that counts, and just the steps that we had to do, things that I would usually do that he didn't do, and vice versa. I love how this all came out. Come a long way from the start of this video and me doubting my soul and Scott's soul. This is the finished result. And it's 7 p.m. and I've got nowhere to go. And I look like this. And I feel like I should go somewhere, but you know what? We're not. So anyway, I'm going to shut up. We're going to stop rambling. And if you want to see how we did this, because oh my god, this is actually one of the nicest makeup looks I have ever done. I'm heavily obsessed. So yes, subscribe if you want to. If you don't, I completely get it. It's fine. Give the video a thumbs up as well, and yeah, let me know if you like this makeup look situation that we're going on. We're very glowy. Can you see the JLo vibes we've got here today? Enjoy! I'm clothed. So I've obviously just watched the Tati and Scott Barnes video because I obviously had to prepare my little makeup bag. So I'm not going to be like shocked about anything. I was shocked at a few things whilst I was watching it, but We'll get onto that. Grab your beverage as always. Basically Tati wants to be transformed into JLo. Scott Barnes is JLo's makeup artist. And he's basically transforming her into JLo. So that's what's basically going on. I'm going to try and recreate what Scott is recreating, I guess, on Tati's face. I'm going to skip some parts out of this video obviously because their video is 30 minutes long. He has a lot of good tips as well.
With this is to bring it in.
He's using a lot of his own products. I do not have any of those. I kind of want to invest in some now because I've seen him use it and wow. I'm just going to use things that kind of look similar. He doesn't use face primer, which Tati was even like, what?
And you just use it to like eliminate stuff. And I'm gonna go in ham. Like I'm gonna use makeup. Like I'm not gonna pretend like.
Just drench me. My skin eats makeup. Like it really does.
I did your makeup once before and it was like that.
Wow. This is a lot of concealer.
With it is just kind of blended out and just working into the skin. Now I'm starting to feel like that guy from, remember who used to do the painting?
Bob Ross.
Okay, we're gonna put a little tree in right underneath your nose.
It's a happy concealer.
A happy concealer, and there's a small little squirrel jumping around on your forehead. Just gently, watch, I'm gonna turn your nose just a little bit so that everybody can see this. And and you can do this on yourself, which is very easy, is I blend it up this way.
I'm so obsessed with your brushes. They are just the absolute best.
Using literally a paintbrush. I'm just gonna use the cream contour stick from Sosu. I look crazy right now. I hope this is gonna be okay.
Jaws. We're gonna come in with the jaws of life.
Ooh, yes.
This is what I call, I'm gonna do this look. I actually have named it.
Oh, you named this look?
Yeah, it's called Snatchral.
Snatchral.
It's snatched, but natural.
I love that so much.
It's kind of like Glowy and Howie.
Yes. Where's your merch? You need some.
She's pretty. She looks natural, but a little bit more. So she's natural.
I can't go out. I look like a horror movie character.
People ask, how do you deal with the haters? How do you deal with the trolls? Like, and that's one of those things early in my YouTube careir that so many people.
Do you have haters?
Oh, sure do.
I don't.
The whole camp. Oh, Scott.
Like the light's hitting right here, so I'm just taking it down. That's all.
So you do makeup differently per shoot, per lighting. Like you really.
Oh, the first thing I do when I walk in.
Look at the lighting.
I walk right to the director and I'm like, well, what are we doing? They over contour and then they drag all this brown into the nose and into the side of the face.
And then they just face tune it later. Just saying.
Which is an issue. Now the trick to having a fuller lip is not overlining it to death. Okay.
Yeah, this is so weird, but this kind of like makes sense. Like, oh my god. Because then there's like that shadow around. Oh. Okay, I get it. Okay, now he's doing foundation. Thank God, because I feel like we need to cover all this shit up.
Start with you started ready and I'm like, this is so relaxing, you guys. I usually sit here and I have to...
Okay, I feel like because of my skin tone, my body's naturally darker than like my face. So I feel like I don't need to cover my entire chest with foundation. I don't have Chanel foundations. The closest thing I feel like I've got is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. So I'm going to use this, and if I do need to bring it down, then I will, but I don't think I should need to.
I was looking at the makeup and I'm like, that is so Scott's makeup. Like, that is just...
Yeah, so I'm going to do like a little bit. We're doing this for TV and for stage, like for like a music video.
There is a difference because you have to think of like, I mean, she looked great under all lighting situations.
Yep.
You know, whatever angle the light was hitting her, the skin looked amazing, the contour looked amazing, and that's, to me, the difference between some of the artists that...
Oh, okay, I'm starting to see it now, like... Oh, okay, okay.
You see that are dominantly on Instagram or just photo shoot, and then someone like you that actually has to think about every situation, you know, for film, for live performance.
This is something I hate, foundation lips, but he did it. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm just gonna have to stop being a baby and just deal with it.
A woman's face, and I'm like, okay, how to make you look perfect. You know what I mean? Like, that's
what we like to hear.
Okay. Oh my god, my skin actually looks so good. My skin is looking absolutely incredible, not gonna lie.
I love cream.
Like, rub it into my hand and then just kind of do that.
I think that cream works primarily better than powder for a couple reasons. It looks like it's coming from inside the skin. Okay, powder.
So what powder are you using? You're using your powder.
I'm using Petal. She's a little translucent with a tiny tinge of pink in her. And what that does is cancels out any kind of like little bluey, purpley stuff underneath the eye.
Oh my god, I cannot get over how good my skin actually looks. Like, I'm actually shocked. Like, what is going on?
Ooh, is that highlight?
Yeah.
Okay, so the closest thing to that highlight palette, I actually have something pretty similar. I've got this pure highlight palette, which kind of looks the same. It looks pretty similar, so I'm just going to use this. He's got a fan brush, and I actually have a very similar brush to the one he's got. This one is from NYX, and it is that like fan kind of contour one. So I'm going to use this.
And they're like an indie brand with a lot of cool products, actually.
I use it a lot for highlighters.
Love that.
See?
Ooh, yes.
Ooh.
Oh my god, yes.
Razors.
Oh,
Razors.
I just had plastic surgery with makeup.
Why do I not have an event to go to looking like this, you know?
Grab, now watch, because we have all this on there. We're just putting a little bit of highlighter, bronzers, situation. Look at that.
Can you come over like every day?
This is Barbie skin.
Oh my god.
Do you know when Barbie just like woke up, said hi?
Barbie.
Let's go party.
To be fair, I'm glad that he's doing this because that's like the worst thing. If like you have like a really, really, really glowy face and you're wearing like a top like where your shoulders are exposed, if like your body's just matte and you haven't matched the glow, like that's just not what you want. So I'm gonna use one of my favorite bronzers actually. This is the BBold bronzer. It's so blendable. It has like a really nice tan color to it, but it also has a really nice glow. So I'm gonna use this.
I just want to show you 2 strokes.
Ooh.
Yeah. This is with just a little bit of powder. It's beveled so that you can work with the curves of this brush.
The end result is something that is so smooth.
Yeah.
And it's just
seamless.
It's very seamless.
Oh my god. I can't go over how nice my skin looks. Scott is a queen. Yes. Okay, so moving on to lips next. So he's using just like... Honestly, I don't know if he uses a lipstick. To me, it just looks like he uses a lip liner and then a clear shimmery gloss over top.
Okay, so lip. This is number 7, which is called Naked or Natural or Nude or something like that. So remember our little contour. It's underneath there. See the fullness? Okay, and we're gonna connect the top so that it's not 2 peaks. It's kind of like a round. I think what is really most important when you're doing makeup too is, just like clothing, you have to look at proportion.
I can't see like what color he's using. I thought it was like a shimmery gold, but now it kind of looks like it's a bit nude. So I'm gonna use the Hourglass Unreal. Okay, I never know what shade this is. I think it's in the shade Child. And I'm gonna pop this on.
Hottie.
I'm so cheesy.
Okay, now this is important. Tip alert. Feel what I'm doing? Going out to the edge. Not, I'm taking it and out and to the edge.
Oh, this is like makeup choreography. 1 and 2 and out and to the edge.
I'm gonna use something on you today.
Okay, so we're moving on to the eyes now. I feel weird that like I've got my lips done and like I haven't even done eyeshadow yet. I feel a bit uncomfortable about that, but it's fine. So he uses like 1, 2, maybe 3 shades. I can't see the brush he's using and I can't see what color. Really, I can just see that it's a dark brown. So I'm just going to use tan lines from Makeup Geek.
I'm using my crease brush on this.
I love that crease brush. It is pure magic and it has the right shape to do so much.
It works.
And that's, you know, I was talking about this before, that really you can use that one brush if you're just doing a very easy look in a few different colors and you just get a lot of mileage out of it.
It then looks like he's using like a pinky.
Just put it up.
It's like pinky but kind of brown. So I'm gonna take High Strung from Colourpop. Kind of looks like this.
This is another color of mine. I mean, it's fun to play with color, and this is the kind of color that is not offensive.
It still has this nice luxurious feeling to it where it's not taking away from your own natural beauty, but it's definitely colorful, you know? I'm ready for my music video. I should probably get some music together first. What do you think is a trend?
I like how he described that colour. It's like a rosy kind of shimmery brown. And he said it's not an offensive colour. Like, I get it. Like, I feel like it will complement so many different skin tones. I feel like on really deep skin, rosy bronzes like this look so nice on really dark skin. Tati is obviously pretty fair skinned, and then on me, like, it still looks pretty nice. So I like how he explained that. I like how he talks and explains things. He kind of sounds, I feel like he has to be like an earth sign or something. I feel like he explains things very detailed and just very smart. You know what? Let's see it. Let's see what he is. April 22nd. Is that Taurus? He is! He's an earth sign! See, I know how earth signs explain their shit, okay? Love that. He's a Taurus. The tan lines. Honestly, he's changing makeup for me right now because I've literally used 2 eyeshadows to do this look and it looks like I've used so many.
I'm gonna show you how.
Okay, I'm also very stressed because he's not used eyeliner. I don't know if he's like done that off camera. It looks like she's got some on. So I'm going to use a brown one, just. So he's finishing up with mascara and it's hurting my soul that he didn't curl her eyelashes. I always curl my eyelashes, but he's not doing it, so I'm not going to do it. I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, so he did put false eyelashes on Tati. I am not going to do that because I just can't. So sorry, we're doing without. But I've put a shitloads of mascara on. And I feel like I've done a pretty good job. Holy shit, honestly, like, I'm actually really impressed with this. At first, I was like, this is not gonna be it. But oh my god, I need to go somewhere. So that is it for the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know about your thoughts on Scott Barnes's method. To be fair, this is the first time like I've heard him talk, heard him like explain anything, and picked him some tips here. I'm actually really impressed. And yeah, I actually really like the process of what's happened here. I feel like he's used a lot more makeup than I obviously would use, but this is like a full glam look, obviously. This is not like an everyday makeup look, obviously. So I get that he went in and he used a shitload, especially the concealer. Like, that is a lot. I'm really impressed by it. Honestly, I think the only thing that kind of upset me is just the fact that he didn't curl eyelashes. That's pretty much it. Everything else I can kind of get on board with. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you want me to do more of these. I think I will. I like doing this recreating thing. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching the video. Let me know again your thoughts and shit. I was that distracted by his greatness, I didn't finish my coffee. I'll leave all the stuff that I use, all the products, I'll leave them listed down below as always. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.